Hello guys, we are here on the ninth tutorial and today we are going to continue our RDP function. The last time we left on the GUI on the server project. Today is not going to be a long tutorial because we are just going to finish the client-side part of the RDP protocol. The RDP function is not actually a complete protocol, but we are going anyway to take easy steps, as I said in the previous tutorial, so don't worry. Maybe in the next one we are going to finish this. So let's keep going. So the first thing I'm going to say is under the project file in the description I left my project, and you can find a class that I added manually that is called crdp.vb. And this class used, as you can see, to capture the desktop screen, performing some adjustments just to be sure that we are sending the entire screen, and we are splitting all the screen in parts. So we are connecting to the last tutorial. If you remember the split combo box selection, so this will allow us to choose how many split will have our final image. And the other functions are just some encoding stuff to send the thumbnail image, the image through the socket without any kind of trouble. And this is actually the main function, the cap, that is going to return on any second a new frame, so it's going to capture all the screen area and it's going to send it through the socket. So this is the class that will allow us to see and to control with the mouse the remote desktop. This class is basically taken, I think, from NJRAT. I'm not even sure because I modified this class more or less 1 year ago, so I don't remember if it is from NJRAT, but it's the most stable one, and I use this class since, yes, as I said, 1 year. So this is going to work really good. And now you can just, add the class, you can download the project data in this tutorial, the previous one, whatever. So, for first, we're going to add some little region to our subdata to keep everything organized. So, the first function will, the first region actually will be the basic protocol section. So, as you can see, this is just the, we can call it the ping send function, yeah, because we are just sending all the data. So this is the basic protocol that will connect back to the server. So we can just type up here #region. You can open the quotes and just double quotes and write in BP, that stands for basic protocol. I suggest you to use short strings, short names without, full names such as basic protocol, because this file is going to be the final stub, and maybe some antivirus could spot maybe some full words such as, basic protocol or remote socket. So I suggest you to use really short strings. For example, even here you can just rename sockets events with SK. This is one common name. So this is just to remember that this section is for the socket events. So this is the basic protocol. So we are just grouping all the basic strings we are going to receive and parse, and we type here and region. And now we can just collapse, you know, as you can see, the two keys. And now we can create a new region called region cap, that stands for our remote desktop. And now we can start adding our strings that we will use to handle all the RDP. So for first we're just saying cap dot clear. Cap is going to be a variable that I don't remember if, yes, we already declare it. You see here. Now we can say dim s equals screen dot primary screen dot bounds dot size. So basically we are just retrieving the screen resolution and we are sending back to the server, and this will allow to the server on the GUI of the RDP to choose the resolution or to adjust the picture box by the resolution we just sent. So now we can say c.send, we send back the same character, and we just attach the s.width. Remember always to add the separators, and s.height. This is for the instance of the GUI for the remote desktop, and we keep going using another character, for example. And now we can say we can send the frame we are capturing with the other class. So we can declare some variables that we will use. You will see these variables will be some settings such as the split, the resolution, and the quality. So if you remember in the last tutorial, and now we declare the split, and now we declare the quality. Now we can declare as byte array the image we just captured using the class. We just open a new memory stream. This would be a command we're going to send. Now we write to the memory stream command. So we are going to send a notify to the server that we are going to send a new frame, and now we can write the encoded frame data to the memory stream, and for the last we send the entire memory stream. And using the dispose, we are just releasing all the resources we used for this memory stream. So we are sure that the memory stream will be empty. And now we can use last two cases. The first, so the hashtag will be used to move the mouse in position based on the window from the remote server. So we're just declaring a new point for the cursor, and now Now we say just move the mouse on the position we received. This is really easy. And the last one will simulate the mouse click. Actually, this one, as you can see, is the mouse event. So actually, we are performing the click using the hashtag. Sorry, with this function, we are going to place the cursor on the point, because as you can see, mouse event calls the simulates the left click of the mouse. So cursor dot position equals new point, because as you can see, actually I was confused because with the hashtag we are also moving the mouse on the position, because we want to be sure that we are clicking exactly on the same point where our cursor is on the remote GUI of the server. And then we are with the dollar symbol, we are just moving around the mouse. And then with the hashtag, of course, we are performing the click. So it's more or less the same thing, just with this head. So basically, for this tutorial is everything, because this is actually was not an easy stuff. I had to explain something, and I rather upload short tutorials to allow you to follow in the best way the development of these rats. So for this tutorial is everything, and in the next one we will bounce back to the remote server, and we will finish hopefully the RDP